In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam download disk write error. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any computer or laptop. So you need to first check if you have connection on Steam. In this case, I'm on a Thursday, so today Steam are having some updates. You need to check this. Okay, if you are on Thursday, this can happen. So you can click on with the right button on the taskbar, task manager, search Steam. So click on any program, press S until you find Steam, click End Task, and open Steam as administrator. So search Steam right here, right button, run as administrator. After doing that, click on the first option at the top left corner, settings. You will see several options. Click on downloads, and on download region you can change to fix the problem. You can also click on Steam Library folders, click on the three dots, repair folder to repair all your games files. If this doesn't work, click on the right button on the game, click on properties, click on local files, verify integrity of game files. Now, if all of this doesn't work, I recommend you to turn off your antivirus or turn off your modem and turn on again. I hope I helped you on how to fix Steam download disk write error. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.